Hello guys, and welcome to CorelDraw training, and in today's video we are going to cover shape edit tools. So shape edit tools is a set of tools that allow editing of shapes. Now when we get to our CorelDraw screen, we will find the tools right here. They are the second one from the pick tool. Now when I click the fly out arrow here, we will see all the tools that are related to shape editing. Our first one is shape tool, smooth tool, smear tool, twirl tool, attract tool, repel tool, smudge tool, and laughing tool. So let's begin with the shape tool, which is up here. So how do we use shape tool? So for quicker illustration of how we can use shape tool, I'll try replicate the business card that you see right here on my screen. Now if you look at the business card, we have curves. Like at the top here we have a black shape that has a carving below it, and also a white shape here which has a carving as well. Now if I shade this box here black, I can achieve the same shape at the top by right clicking the shape and converting it to curve, and then clicking the shape tool here, and then getting to the lower line here and seeing to curve. Now by so doing, I can drag this shape here, and as you can see, I'm almost getting the above shape. Now you can manipulate this shape by manipulating those arrows the way you want, and as you can see, I am able to get this kind of shape that easily. Now if I draw a white item here or any other shape here, maybe a yellow item, and then order it to the back of the page, as you can see, I have managed to get some form of carving using the shape tool. So basically shape tools allows you to manipulate different shapes by carving them as per your expectations. So basically guys, that's how you can use shape tool in CorelDraw, and hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.